I have partnered with healthtestingcenters.com to show you how easy it is to get blood test results without a doctor. So this is the website for healthtestingcenters.com, and this is how it works. First, you visit the site and you purchase your test using either a credit card or PayPal. Next, you visit a lab, choose either LabCorp or Quest, unless you're doing a home test like I did. Finally, you just wait to get your emailed results. One of the things that I really like about this is that it is private, especially with things like the STD package. This way you can get your results from a trusted lab and then make your own decisions about visiting a doctor, such as I am doing with the heart health and cholesterol test. But I chose to do an at-home test. Since it's American Heart Month and I'm always concerned anyway, I chose to do the cardiac blood spot test. It measures C-reactive proteins for inflammation, A1C for extended blood sugar levels, and cholesterol and triglycerides. Ordering it was easy. I just selected, verified that I had the right test, added it to my cart. I confirmed everything on this screen, including the price and the test. Then I hit checkout and I read and confirmed their privacy policy. And then I just paid for my order. So these are my results. The top section has personalized information based on data that you entered, plus extrapolated information like my BMI, and it has things that I entered like my blood pressure. This section has my test results. In my case, my heart health panel. All of my numbers are in the green, so that's good. But I am concerned because some of them are getting awfully close to the warning zones on the cholesterol and the high HDLs and the LDLs, something that I will talk to my doctor about the next time I go in to see him. And if you don't know what all that means, don't worry, because the lab has included this handy dandy reference chart to explain everything to you. This is one of the easiest ways I have ever done a blood test, and I would definitely do it again if I had already exhausted my health insurance benefits for the year and just wanted to update progress or wanted a secure and very private test results that I could talk to my doctor about later.